Injection molding design is the process of creating the shape, structure, and features of a mold that will be manufactured for use in the injection molding process. The mold is a critical component in the injection molding process, and its design directly influences the quality of the molded part and the overall molding productivity. Mold design is a systematic approach considering the various functional systems in an injection molding machine, such as the feeding system, gating system, venting system, ejection system, and cooling system. This systematic approach helps in identifying the design constraints during the early stages, which reduces the overall process development time. Typically, mold design is carried out as an iterative process performed along with the part design. Designing an injection mold requires a careful balance of technical considerations that include the geometry and complexity of the part, the layout and number of cavities within the mold, material selection for both the part and mold, machine compatibility and machine selection factors, and the integration of functional systems in the injection molding process. A well-designed mold ensures part consistency and quality, minimizes defects and material waste, reduces production cycle time, and supports efficient, high-volume production.